Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I have a stand-in mirror right in front of me, and that's because I'm going to be giving you guys a product review, and I'm also going to do a makeup tutorial specifically for men, especially for my male models out there. This is something that you guys don't want to miss, so stick around for this video. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this product from Stryx. Stryx is a two-step cosmetics line for men. So the first step is a concealer tool, which is closely matched to your skin tone. And the second step is a tinted moisturizer. So for my guys out there, you know, when you hear the word tinted moisturizer, it's like, what does that mean, right? Think of it as lotion that's sort of like in your skin tone. So it's colored lotion essentially. This product's pretty awesome. It's packaged really nicely, very well done, looks really high end, although it's super affordable. All right, so this product was not tested on animals. It's 100% cruelty free. A lot of the ingredients on here are pretty safe. It's what you see in most higher end cosmetics lines. All right guys, so let's get into this. I want to show you guys how to use this product. It's super simple. Anyone can do it, and you can actually just apply this to your daily routine, if you will. This is really good if you're going on an audition, if you're going on a casting. You want to make sure your skin tone is even. You want to make sure you look great for the camera. As a model, you're going to be taking pictures and being videotaped and all that. So you want to make sure you don't have any blemish on your face. So this is where this comes in handy. This is something that you can add to your toolbox to help you look like yourself, but more handsome. All right, guys. So know that wearing makeup is something that a lot of men are not really comfortable with. But Stryx has done a really good job with making it very easy and very portable. Even with the packaging, the way they've packaged it, the first tool is a pen that you just dot on the blemishes on your skin. The second tool is essentially like a moisturizer that's close to your skin tone, so you just apply that to your face and it blends in and makes your skin look like one even tone. So as a male model, this is something that's very important. Usually when I go to castings and auditions, sometimes I just tend to just touch up my face a little bit to make it look even, or I might put some kind of brown powder on my face just a little bit before I go in front of the camera. But now that I have Stryx, this is something that I'm going to be using whenever I have a casting or an audition. So I think that this is something that you guys will find valuable as well. All right, so getting into step number one, which is the concealer. As you guys can see, this basically looks like a pen. And inside the pen is sort of like, almost like a crayon, if you will. And this is close to my skin tone. So what I would do is, I'll just dot on the blemishes that I have on my skin. Like if I had some acne problems or whatever, I'll just dot on those areas. So the first thing that I like to do is, I have this line under my eye, which sometimes I'm conscious of. And I don't want this line to show up too much in front of the camera. So what I'll do is I would actually just draw a line there, draw another line there with the makeup tool. And then you can put this away. And essentially I would either use my fingers or I would get a makeup sponge like this and just sort of dab it on. So I don't know if you guys can see the difference between this and this. So let me do the second one. There, very easy, right? Now for the second step, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the tinted moisturizer. All right, so step number two and the final step, this is the tinted moisturizer. So basically you can just go ahead and open this up. And as you can see, it's kind of like a lotion, right? So I'll just take a little bit, put that on my finger. So basically, I'll just take a little bit of the tinted moisturizer and I'll just kind of like put a little bit on my T-zone there, a little bit there, a little bit here. And then now I can either use my fingers again, or I can just use a makeup sponge and just sort of like rub this on. Again, the tinted moisturizer it's pretty much like putting lotion on your face, but again, it's very close to your skin tone. So it looks nice and even. So as you guys can see, it was pretty simple, really quick. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I can definitely see it in the mirror. My skin looks a lot more even. That was really easy to use. Took me less than 2 minutes to apply it on. So I think that this product is something that you guys can add to your toolbox, especially for my aspiring models out there. This is something that you need when you're going to a casting, you're going to an audition. You want to make sure your skin looks nice and flawless, especially if you have a lot of acne scars or you have some black spots because you tend to pop your acne. This will be great to make your skin look really even. So guys, let me know your thoughts on, on makeup for men. Do you think men should wear makeup? Do you think male models need makeup? How do you feel about it? Are you comfortable with it? All right guys, so I'm gonna leave more information about the product in the description box down below, as well as some helpful links. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit me with a thumbs up as always. I want to hear your opinion. How do you feel about it? What do you think about makeup? Let me know. I'll see you guys next week.